Kia ora, good morning. It is Tuesday. I am Mike from Markets, and this is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Okay, straight to business this morning with maybe the stroke of a pen last night, or certainly at least a turn of the rumour mill last night. China may no longer be viewed as a currency manipulator. Yeah, the headlines hit the wires earlier this morning suggesting that the US will remove China from the list of countries it views as deliberate currency manipulators. Cool. Have they stopped? Were they ever really doing it? It doesn't really matter because rightly or wrongly, they might, it's still a rumour, be off that list. Yeah, so what does that mean for markets? It's being viewed as yet another reason to buy risk assets, basically. Some risk assets, like US equities. More gains, more record highs, all that fun stuff in US markets overnight. Currency markets, they mostly, or some of them, ignored those headlines and just went about their business. So for the New Zealand dollar, that meant a bit of overnight wobbling before settling back into the 66.30s, which is pretty much where we started yesterday. The Aussie and the Euro, they followed a similar meandering path. The Yen, that actually lost a bit of ground on the general risk-on theme. So Kiwi Yen is a little higher, which is probably a good thing if you're maybe heading to Japan for your honeymoon soon and you haven't bought any currency yet. Matt. Yeah. Moving on, the pound. That was the big currency mover overnight. It took a bit of a tumble on mounting concerns that the Bank of England may have to cut base interest rates soon-ish. Nothing to do with China's perceived manipulator status, or Megxit either, for that matter. It's probably a bit of a stretch to pin the blame for the falling pound on Meghan Markle. Yeah, that move, it was just Brexit and disappointing data, really, the usual suspects. Anyway, 2 weeks ago, the odds of a Bank of England cut at the end of January, they were about 1 in 10, and this morning they are about 50-50. Yeah, so a decent move. From a local perspective, that slipping pound, that steady-ish Kiwi, bolstered the Kiwi pound cross to a 2020 high, or a 2-week high. Same but different. Yeah. Okay, that is about it, I think. It's certainly enough, at least. Have a happy Tuesday. Ka kite anō.